Hi there, welcome to JD Answers. Today I'll be going over the installation of the BYAKOV dash camera. First, I want to thank you for supporting this channel by subscribing below, hitting all notifications, and thank you for your thumbs up. This video is how I installed the BYAKOV dash camera into my vehicle. I will show you step by step on how I did it. Okay, what we want to do is go ahead and grab the suction cup and attach it to the front windshield. Move the lever up, and to securely fasten the suction cup to the window, go ahead and insert the dash cam into the holder. Move the spindle to tighten up the dash cam, that way it doesn't move left or right. You could adjust this later once you install the camera. Then we're going to install the mini USB cable onto the dash cam. Unfortunately, the wire is positioned the wrong way. It's upside down. I wish they would have made it the other way, where the cord goes up rather than down. So I'm going to grab the cord and I'm going to move it towards the center of the rear view mirror channel cord. I'm going to lay it on the side, then I'm going to position myself. All right, here we go. Now I'm at a different angle. I'm going to get the cord again, put it into the cord channel, and then I'm going to just push it straight up, and it will secure the cord at that point. I'm not sure if your car has this, but mine does. Then between the headliner and the windshield, there's an opening there where you could just move the cord, and then with your fingers just push it in, and it stays in there intact. Just the camera a little. Again, get the cord, move it from left to right, and push it in with your fingers. Alright, this time I'm going to go ahead and do a different angle where you can see I'm going to now start putting the cord with the crowbar that came with the dash cam, which is a lifesaver. At this time I'm pushing the molding up, and it's going to push the cord into the side pillar, and I'm going to put it towards the edge of the pillar where it starts, so I could route the wire behind the pillar, and then I'm going to just move the wire towards the windshield. I'm going to push it in my finger and the crowbar with the thick side here. I'm pushing the cord back. Now that it's wrapped behind it, I'm going to just move the, excuse my hands, I'm just going to move the cord into the pillar where it starts. It begins from the top to the bottom. Alright, just making sure some adjustments, and once it's done I'll fasten it back, and then I'll move the camera and do it again so you can see exactly what I was doing. With the crowbar I'm pushing in the wire towards the windshield. Then I'm pushing it down, as you can see, to tighten up the cord. And adjust the camera. You can see where you can't see no wires, even though there's a lot of shade and dark there. Alright, now we're at the pillar in the side of the car. I'm going to use the crowbar to go first to push up the molding, and then with my fingers just slide the cable inside the molding. At this point I'm going to stop and then start again. With the crowbar, push it, move the molding up, and with my hand push the wire back. Had a little difficult this time. I decided just to use my hands to push up the molding with my hands, and with my fingers I'm just going to push it back. This is where I realized, okay, they ain't working. You can see I'm moving, molding up with my hand, and fingers just pushing the wire behind there. It's a very tight area here. Alright, now that that's done, we could route the cable to the side of the car here, next to the side panel here. With a crowbar, the thick end, I'm just going to push the wire behind the molding. This part's easy. Okay, now at the bottom, I'm going to continue the cord towards the glove box to where the kick plate meets. I'm going to go ahead and route the wire between there and put the wire behind the kick plate on the side there. I'm going to adjust the camera. You can see where I'm starting again. I'm going to move it behind the kick plate, and I'm going to push it underneath the glove box. There's a light here with wire, so I'm going to put the wire onto that to hold the wire up, and you'll see why in just a minute. And then I'm going to move the camera where you can see the center console side plate. I'm just going to take that off, and again found some wires there. I'm going to route the wires behind her to hold it for me. And the reason I didn't go behind the carpet is because my power outlet is actually further back compared to other cars. Usually they're next to the radio or by the gear shifter, and unfortunately mine is not. Put the side plate back, reposition the wires a little bit, and then move the camera. You can see where I'm going to plug this in now. Alright, again, power outlets are usually by the gear shifter or by the radio. Mine's is further back. And here we go. And then you see some of the wires. I just make little adjustments, and I'm going to show you where you can't see nothing. Go to the side. Still can't see any wires. Everything's pushed in. The side pillar looks good. And again, I'm sorry for the shade and darkness, but I couldn't get no good lighting. But you saw in the video earlier where it was hiding. And the cords were all kept. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the car. And you can see the dash cam turn on. At this point, you can make your adjustments by turning the spindle in the middle and to tighten or loosen it. Mine just says to make sure to put the SD card in there, which I have not. And that's it. Okay, so what'd you think? Wasn't too hard, right? I hope this video helped you install your dash camera into your vehicle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.